Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me present to you a blender from Royal Catering. On my workbench I have now two models from Royal Catering, both with a force of 350 watts. One common thing for both is they come in a box just like this. This particular model has a blending attachment of 400 millimeter. It comes with a foam in it, so it's a really tight, snug fit. It always comes with an instruction manual. Make sure you read it. So let's take it out and let's have a look. Both models have the power of 350 watts. There's only one difference. This one has a controller on top, so you can regulate your rotations. It goes from 4,000 rotations per minute up to 16,000. This one has no regulation. So as soon as you turn it on, it goes straight to 16,000 rotations per minute. You can separately buy all these individually. So you have a 50 centimeter, 40 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 25, and also a 20 centimeter attachment, and also this whisking attachment. They also fit the 500 watt models, and what's really nice about them, they always have this marking on the side. It's how deep you should put it in your liquid, in whatever you're blending. Just remember, this is an electric device, so you shouldn't immerse it in any liquid because it will stop working and you might get an electric shock. For my pot, I just need a small attachment. So before I plug it in, I just assemble it. There's a special notch there that should fit right in. Then you just screw it in, tighten it up, and the device is ready to be plugged in. Before I start blending though, let me show you a couple of cool features. First of all, there's a safety feature on top. So without pressing this button, you can't turn it on. So you won't be able to cut yourself, for example, or start an unattended blending. So first you push this button in, then you push the on and off button. You can get tired easily of keeping your finger on the button. In order to make your life easier, you have this lock button on the side. So when you press this one, you can release the on and off switch and you can blend constantly. To stop blending, you just press the on and off button again and it turns the device off. Alright, so let's see how it works. I prepared a very classic dish. It's a vichyssoise soup. So it's basically a cream of leek. It's everything cooked on milk, and my personal advice, whatever you're doing, whenever you're doing creams and purees, it's always good to put a couple of potatoes in it. It's not necessary, it's not mandatory. They just give it this nice texture to your creams and soups. It just makes the whole thing really smooth. So what you have to do is just you place your blender in the container, turn the safety on, press the button, set your rotations, and basically it will start straight away. Just move it around a bit just to make sure everything rotates. One personal advice again, do not lift it up too high, because when you lift it, it's gonna spray all over your kitchen. Just speed it up. Okay, so my blending is done. So a couple of remarks there. First of all, because the device is quite heavy, it's supposed to be, it has a really nice ergonomic grip, so you hold it really firm in your hand. It doesn't slip or anything. You have this hand guard on top. You can place your other hand on the machine itself. You can move it around. Obviously, after use, you have to clean the machine. It is quite easy. I just leave it there and I show you with this one. Basically, all you have to do is just unscrew it, disassemble it, and you can put this part into the dishwasher. It's all stainless steel, so nothing should happen to it. The blade is also high quality stainless steel, so it should definitely be okay. Why would you choose between these two? Well, you're the expert, you know your needs best. So it's up to you. The only thing is, like, you know, if you need this machine for stirring, you might use the lower settings, but you usually work with the higher setting anyway. Let's quickly summarize. These machines have 350 watts. They go from 4,000 to 16,000 rotations per minute. This one goes with 16,000 straight away. In each set you have a different attachment, but you can buy all of them separately, individually. Really cool device, very versatile, very useful in the kitchen. I probably had one of these in every single kitchen I worked at, so definitely worth looking at it. So if you're looking for a hand blender, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of them on Royal Catering. Just have a look. You will definitely find one that will suit your needs best. With this one, however, you will get a 3-year warranty. So you're safe for a long time, and it will be delivered in a really sturdy cardboard, so nothing will happen to it during transport. If you have any questions in regards to hand blenders or any type of kitchen equipment, just let me know in the comments section. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.